Hi everybody, I'm Lou Santini. You may remember me from Standup Comedy or my popular book or even more popular podcast of the same name, Amateur Nation. As I've mentioned on my podcast, while I do believe that there is room and a need for alternative fueled vehicles all around the world, and certainly not all people who drive hybrid and electric cars are bad people, I do maintain my often repeated statement that the Toyota Prius is the ugliest, most bland, least creatively inspired, always in the way car of all time. In fact, I was even in a sketch making fun of it.
Get there, we got lighted vanity. Hang on. There it is. Tampon dispenser. Perfect. I am not going to die in a Prius.
There's no way you would die in a Prius anyways. It's got side airbags, it's got a front airbag.
Does it have shame protection?
And on episode 31 of my podcast, Amateur Nation, with Lou Santini, entitled Pros Don't Cry, I listed these 30 things that are like driving a Prius. It's like driving plain yogurt. It's like driving waiting room Muzak. It's like driving Crocs. It's like driving a side salad with no dressing, with iceberg lettuce. It's like having sex only in the missionary position, only on Wednesdays. It's like driving tidy whities. It's like driving water, no ice. It's like driving gray. It's like driving the sport of curling. It's like driving a stamp collection. It's like driving an unsalted pretzel. It's like driving being on hold. It's like driving a coffee date. It's like driving Idaho. It's like driving the TV test pattern. It's like driving a caution sign. It's like driving a life insurance lecture. It's like driving the English patient. It's like driving junk mail. It's like driving a cubic zirconia. It's like driving a sweater vest. It's like driving an airplane middle seat. It's like driving granny panties. It's like driving Coldplay. It's like driving a vegan restaurant. It's like driving the WNBA. It's like driving Rocky V. It's like driving Wonder Bread. It's like driving a bunt. Oh, and one more thing.